To have our chairman yesterday and until today, Honorable John Patrick Gregorio.
Sa inyong lahat, I was informed this is a new batch. Hindi lahat ng nandito kahapon nandito ngayon, and it's very good because we have very good attendance. Oh, but Sir Bayani is still there. Okay, perfect attendance. Meeting with the good governor, the defensor, and we discussed all the possible sports programs we can implement and introduce in Iloilo in partnership with the Philippine Sports Commission. So let me share with you natin or i-organize natin a sport na feeling nyo Iloilo can excel, the Iloilo athlete can excel. And number 3,
when they enter the name, alam na namin kung anong birthday niya, madali na namin i-track kasi exposure. So you use this para maging financial sustainable kayo sa yung
everybody, good morning Iloilo. First of all, magpapasalamat kami for having us for the past 2 days.
Kulang lang. No, walang expert. Lahat, mga general manager ng bangko or Johnny.
Inclusive, right, and respective. Kung may kailangan yung athletes natin, kaya natin ibigay, iniintindi natin sila. And then kasama din sa safe sports, syempre, yung pagprotekta natin. Diba? Kasama yan sa work natin as a coach. And hindi malayo ang safe sports sa mga Pilipino actually. It's very much embedded in our culture, yung malasakit.
Ang isang importanteng concept na minsan kasi ang upbringing, siguro isa sa mga nabago dun sa mga athletes that we're working with now, or yung generation, is yung parenting kasi. Diba? Ako, I have to be mindful also, I'm a parent now. So, meron kasi marami rin kasing magulang ngayon, bago pa madapa yung anak, sinasalo na. So, hindi nila ngayon alam kung paano bumangon sa pagkakadapa. Kasi objective sa training mo, sabihin mo lang sila. Pwede nga warm up. Meron ka lang mga, di ba? Kahit same muscle groups naman yung tina-target, bigyan mo sila ng options. Pag sila yung pumili, tumataas na agad yung likelihood that they're gonna be motivated dun sa task. Kung mararamdaman yung mga doubts and the nerves and things like that, di ba? Eh kung hindi ka prepared, isipin mo, pinaghirapan mo ng ilang taon, biglang down the drain lang dahil kinabahan ka, parang lugi ka naman. Di ba? Instead of, normal. It's part of the competition process. Alam mo kung bakit ka nape-pressure? Kasi, or nakakaramdam ng pressure? Kasi importante sa yung ginagawa mo. Bakit ka may nerves? Actually, mechanism ng katawan niya to prepare you for the task at hand. Di ba? Okay? So kung gano'n natin siya